Good day, guys. Welcome back to another day trading recap. So today I traded NKLA and Delta Airlines. The reason I traded NKLA is because they had a huge catalyst. Well, in my opinion, this is huge. They I'll bring over the news over here. So NKLA, Nikola Corporation, all their customer base is now eligible for $120,000 incentive per truck. That's like huge news, right? I mean, well, at least I thought that was a very good news. So this is why I had NKLA on my watch list today. The reason I liked it technically, it was because if you look at the daily chart, yes, it's on a downtrend, but today it gapped up and it was holding above this $11 level, which was previous day high. So if I bring in the 30 minute, so you can see over here, when this news came up that they were approved by California for eligible 120,000 incentive, well, it gapped up and stayed above this $11 level. So this is why I was long biased on it, and I actually put a limit order. Once it gapped up, it hit this $11 level one time and bounced straight off of it. I actually put a limit order here to get in at $11. And right at the open, now this over here, like, I'm really not proud of the way I traded here, this open over here. Uh, what happened is I got in $11. I saw huge bids start stacking down towards the downside. So I got out of the trade, which I don't really have a problem with this trade. But then what happened is I saw the bids starting to disappear a bit and the ass started going up. I got in and I got wicked out to the penny on this one. So that was not good. That was not good. And then it started popping and going up in my direction, and I went for the 1 minute open range breakup, and I got stopped out again. Guys, this is like horrible trading right here. I mean, what I should have done is actually have this limit entry at $11 and just let it go. See, whatever happens, happens, right? Here, I will be down 1 hour, maximum down 1 hour. That was it, instead of over trading over here. What happened is that once it made this and it came below this stop level that I had, I went short, covered some. I had this R4 level as a target, so I covered some I covered some over here and it bounced back up. So this ended up being a small little winner. And then over here, around a little before 10 o'clock, it was hovering again. Again, it was hovering above this $11 level, and it was above the VWAP, the 9 EMA. It was hovering around the 50 moving average. So I went long again. Was stopped just below this $11 level, and I got stopped again. At this point, I was clearly over trading, but I was not too upset yet because I actually got a nice winner on Delta Airline. So Delta Airline reported good earnings, better than expected earnings, anyways. So I had this on my watch list over here. So I was able to get a nice win over here, a 2.33R winner. I'll get back to this trade in a little bit, but psychologically, I was in a good trade and I was in a winner. This helped me actually get back in here for I think the fourth time, and that's when the squeeze happened. So I got in over here at 11:05 and it went all the way to 11:40 something. So this ended up being my free 3 or 4 hour winner over here, and that was able to save me for to make this NKLA break even day for me. But guys, this is definitely not the way to trade. This is complete over trading, uh, and this is not the way to do it. Just as simple as that. It's not the way to do it. I mean, you could trade this like I would say one time over here, and maybe try to get in one more time over here for this move, and that's it. All these other trade was just total BS. But onto the Delta airline trade. So Delta airline had good earnings, and the daily chart looked very, very interesting. You can look at it over here. It was just is hovering along, is on a clear uptrend since mid-December. You can see it's been in clear, clear uptrend, hovering above the 90 EMA and above the 20 EMA, above the 90 EMA, above the 50 moving average. It's getting close to the 200, but it was still below it at the open. So today at the open, it popped up on good earnings, and it was hovering uh, above this level that I had marked down, $41. It was above this $41. So that's why I had it on my watch list, but I wasn't sure because at the open there was some heavy bids, so I let it go. I didn't touch it, and I was busy messing around with NKLA at that time. But I let it go, and when I got back to it, I saw it pop back above VWAP and above this $41 level that I had marked. So that's when I decided to go long. I think my stop was around here, around 40.90. I got in around 41.16, and I got a nice 2.5 hour win on this thing, I think, or something like that. So I got in here, I partialed at yesterday's high, and I got off the rest around close to 42. So this was not a bad trade. I mean, the only maybe thing that I could have done better is actually hold and not partial here and get it all out over here. I saw some large ass over here at 42. So this is the trade that actually helped me psychologically get back on track and helped me refocus on NKLA, because I admittedly I think I was a little bit out of my groove over here, after all these trades. So that's it. That's my recap for today. Hope you guys had a better trading day than I did, and I'll see you guys next time.